Hello there. Have you ever wondered how life is in the slums of Kenya? Have you ever thought about it? Today I want us to explore the slums of Kenya. Today I want us to go deep and see the daily life of Kenyans. As government fronts money, fronts of building affordable houses, I want us to see the slums of Kenya. Inside the Kibera slums, the Pipeline, Dam site and Mathare and such. I want us to see and here are the videos. As you can see, this is Kibera. This is inside the life. This is the daily life. You can see it's a dam site there. The houses. This is the second. This is the third. I think the third largest slums in Africa. In the world. But in Africa, this is the largest slum. This is the largest slum in Africa. Inside here, people do not have good sanitations, good water, clean water to drink. Education is difficult. As you can see, children going to school. The life around here is very difficult. The environment is so toxic. And of course, we have the government fronting money, giving empowerment programs. But deep inside Kenya, these are the slums. This is where the affordable houses should be built. Not to Kenyans who can afford a living, not to Kenyans who can afford to build estate for themselves. You can see the roads, you can see the vibandas, you can see the drainage system, you can see the houses built of mud. You can see children. Here children do not have affordable, they do not have good education programs and such. Just see the children who can't even afford a meal a day, who barely afford three meals a day. Hapa kupata chakula mara tatu kwa siku inakuwa ngumu. This is inside the Kibera slums in Kenya. Whereas we have the government fronting money in and out, creating empowerment programs. Whereas we have children who do not have water, clean water to drink, who barely afford education, who barely can afford good living for themselves. Watch this video till the end and you'll see the truth of the life in Kibera. You can see dam site and such. You can see the drainage system. It's not even that clean. The drainage system so poor for children living in the areas. You can see the house is built of steel. Just see the life and imagine how the government fronts money. And this has always been the problem with the normal Kenyan and the government. It fronts a lot of money, with politicians wearing shoes worth hundreds of thousands, whereas they are living in such areas. Here is the Pipeline dam site. You can see the house, you can see the garbages outdoor. Imagine ukiishi mahali garbages zimerushwa nje ya gate yako, out of your shop, and it becomes the daily life for you. This Pipeline in Nairobi. These are the slums in Nairobi. This again, it's another ghetto in Nairobi. Also in Pipeline, You can see how people live here. You can see how the houses are built, vile watu huanika manguo huku and such. This is the Mathare slums. The Mathare slums in Nairobi. You can see the houses, the varies.